Alright guys, so there is a small dent on the bottom of the door and we still need to flash it with clear coat because there are some scratches, so I will remove the door completely to make the job easier. But before I remove the door, I also want to remove a mirror, and to do that I need to remove, and to protect it from damage, I want to remove whole door panel. So how to do that? To do that, we basically need to remove 3 screws. 2 are hidden here. There are like small cover that sits under that door handle. Yeah. So you remove that, and also there is one more cover in that pocket. So I already removed both of them. They're very easy to remove. So now I will take my screwdriver and remove those screws. And after that, you should be able to remove this door card. How to do that? Start to pry it. It sits on the clips, yeah, so you need to unlatch them. I will use my hook and I will start to slowly disconnect the door panel. Let me just find a good spot where I can go underneath that panel. Not here. Honda made very tight fit. It's not that easy to reach there. Maybe here. Yeah. Oh, you hear that? One. Okay, let's go further. Okay. Nice, nice. Just go around the door panel. Just be like gentle enough, yeah? Don't push too hard. Okay, okay. And probably one here, yeah? Okay. That's free. Let's try it. That should be. No, maybe we should remove that speaker first. I don't know. Let's try. Let's see. Keep. Yeah. Yes. So. And disconnect it. So speaker removal is quite easy. There is one clip on top that you pry with the pry bar and like tilt and pop out. And now we should be able to remove our door. Yes, exactly. The only thing that we need to remove is the cables. And that's basically it. Let me show you a few things. So, bottom connector. It has a special type of latch. Yeah. So there's a small like plastic tag that you need to push with your nail and then open it, like rotating out. Like, let me show you how it sits. It sits like that on a car. So you push that and rotate it out, and it will easily come off. So under that with almost let's say naked door. Yeah, have only sound dampening insulation and water protection barrier. So I will temporarily put that handle back. So now I want to disconnect those clips. See, that's 3 studs that hold mirror to the body. So we're almost ready to remove our door completely. Oh, that's a lot of dirt. So the perfect case would be to remove weather strip, so we could paint up to that point. I don't know, let me try. Let's see. Move that gently to the side, and yeah, that's how it goes out. Yeah, just easy and gentle. Quick, quick, quick. Also, we'll be able to wash all that nasty spots because it has a lot of chunk. Oh, that's all? Okay, guys. So you just unscrew that screw and move it up, and it will immediately pop off. Kind of nice. I, to be honest, didn't expect that. Next, I would like to remove a door handle. There is a plug in this, like a plastic plug. It can be a bit hard to get under that, but I should be able to remove that. And behind that we have a 10mm socket bolt that we will need to remove, and that should give us access to the door handle, and we should be able to remove it. Just be careful not to miss it, because it likes to fall inside. And after that we can remove that part. Yeah. Okay, guys, that was a landlord, so we removed that, basically this part. So right now handle should pop just straight away. Let's see. Usually you need just like push it to the side and it will go out. Yeah, push to the side and go out. That's why I roll down the window. Otherwise it will be hard to read that area. I will just keep those parts in the car. Probably I will remove the rubber seals so we won't miss them and won't damage them. You know, that's basically the most important part, not to damage them, because I don't want to buy any new parts, like, so makes sense not to damage them. Just they're easy to remove, just pop them off and that's all. And basically our door is ready for work. Battery is disconnected. Now we need to disconnect the door itself. To do that we need to reach that connector that's hidden behind the plastic panel. There is no connector there, surprisingly, for some reason. I don't know why. And where did they put it? Let's try to search for it. Okay, guys, I found it. There it is. Yeah, so you can just push that latch and remove it. The problem with that connector is that design is kind of ridiculous, because to remove it from inside it's not that easy, to be honest. Let me just press it and apply the connector itself. They're pretty tight, so it can be not that easy to remove. Yeah, and that's all. Our door is free now. Yeah, connector will stay there. So what next? Next we'll take those 4 bolts and remove the door. And that's how it looks without the door. Feel kind of comfortable, you know, a lot of space, fresh air as well. So now I will take plastic sheeting, some sticky tape, and cover the hole, yes, or rain and water will not go in. And we'll start working on the door inside the garage. See you soon, and remember, hit bell and subscribe and keep tuned.